Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This video will be on electrical ignition. Remember to stay safe and don't attempt this at home. Electrical ignition has always been a more viable option than normal fuses, since you can ignite it much further away and be generally safer. To start wiring up your explosive, you first need to have a rough idea of the ignition temperature. For this video's example, I have some badly mixed sugar and potassium smoke powder. Here you can see me only taking a few strands of my wire to make a thin point with the circuit can produce a lot of heat in a specific place. This will hopefully ignite the powder. Here we go! As you can see, the powder ignited successfully, and we now have a reliable way to ignite a charge from afar. So that's the process for making easy homemade electrical igniters. I now have a Patreon that will allow you to get early releases, personal suggestions, and participation in votes, as well as getting your name in the end of my videos. So see you next time, and like and subscribe for more similar content.